मित्रांनो, आजच्या इंग्लिश लिसनिंग प्रॅक्टिसमध्ये आपण स्वामी विवेकानंद यांच्या जीवनातील एक प्रसंग ऐकणार आहोत. तर पहा, वन नोटेबल इन्सिडेंट फ्रॉम स्वामी विवेकानंदा's life occurred at the Parliament of the World's Religions in Chicago in 1893. Swami Vivekananda, representing Hinduism, delivered a speech on September 11 that left a profound impact on the audience. He began with the words, "Sisters and Brothers of America," which elicited a standing ovation from the audience of thousands for his heartfelt and inclusive address. In his speech, Vivekananda emphasized the importance of religious tolerance and universal acceptance. He highlighted the need for harmonious coexistence of different religions, advocating that all paths lead to the same truth. This event not only brought Swami Vivekananda international recognition but also marked a significant moment in promoting interfaith dialogue and understanding in the West. His presence at the parliament was instrumental in introducing the principle of Vedanta and yoga to global audience, thus bridging Eastern and Western spiritual traditions. Thank you.